with this one, I always tend to ask this one if they provide it to me. So this is actually the secondary oocyte, the mature oocyte. You have the two layers. What is the layer on the outside? Corona radiata. Remember, you put a crown on top of the hairs of the female. So corona radiata, and 2 is zona pellucida.
What is called radiata?
Corona radiata.
So 5 will be corona radiata.
5, no.
What's 5?
5 is actually the spermatocyte.
Oh.
So that little rod right there is actually the spermatocyte.
Okay.
Okay? So corona radiata will be the blue outside. Zona pellucida will be 22. 24 is the ectoplasm.
Zona pellucida.
Now, one cell stage. Here, the only thing that you see is the polar bodies on the top. Right, polar bodies. Just 2 little bumps in there. Still polar bodies. And here, the only thing you can see is male pronucleus and female pronucleus. Male, I don't know how, but males, to me that's female, but females pick, right? So, but male pronucleus, female pronucleus. I'm not gonna ask you which is male, which is female, okay? As long as you put pronucleus, I'm fine. Okay. Label E again is the ectoplasm, right? The same thing as 24.
That's a yellow.
Yeah, 24 is the ectoplasm. Okay. This one is actually 2-cellular stage. What do you think of this one? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, or telophase?
Anaphase.
Anaphase because it's separating.
Just anaphase because it's separating. Okay. Metaphase is actually the one that meets in the middle. If I ask, most of the time you have plenty of questions. I'm not gonna do that. You're supposed to learn this already. That's metaphase, right? Cytokinesis.
Yeah.
Again, polar body, 1 singular cellular stage, 2 cellular stage, right? 2 cells. And each of these, we call it what? The blastulas. Okay, so blastula, blastula. 2 cellular stage or 3. What is labeled 3? Blastula. Blastula. And what is the white ones? Polar bodies. Okay, always the white one into there, polar bodies. The 4 cell ones are what? 4 cellular stage, right? And what are the white ones? Polar bodies. 16 cellular stage. If you look at it, it's kind of like an orange, right? So 16 cellular stage or 8 cellular stage, whatever you want to put, it's fine with me as long as you don't put 4, because it's not 4, right? There's a lot more in there. So 8 or 16 cellular stage. What are the white ones? You got it. So that's actually the development of the embryo. When the embryo gets implanted, pretty much what you're going to see is this model right here. And if you look at the model, that is actually going to be the endometrium on the female. So they call this the ectoderm and endoderm. So you only have 2 layers. Now this layer right here is the layer filled with fluid. What do you call that? The layer filled with fluid, amniotic cavity. Okay. So level A, I think it is the level said what? No, trophoblast. See the trophoblast. Yeah, I think it was trophoblast. Yeah. I think it's trophoblast because it's supposed to be pseudotrophoblast and then syncyto, but they call it trophoblast.
Endoderm is the one in the middle, and ectoderm is the
Yeah, endoderm and ectoderm.
outside.
So trophoblast. Okay, just call it trophoblast for this one. You have 2 types, but whatever. So that's trophoblast. If you look at this one right here, now you can actually have the trophoblast. You have the spiral arteries, the veins, spiral arteries, veins, myometrium, endometrium, trophoblast. This is just the empty space. Okay, and again, this will be what? Ecto or endo? Endo, ecto. This cavity right here, what do you call it? Amniotic cavity. Okay.
Where?
Now, the yellow one.
Okay.
Now from here, remember, what are we developing? From here, you're developing the nervous system, right? So that tiny structure right there in red, that is actually the heart. So that tiny structure is the heart. The same cavities are the same stuff, that hasn't changed. Okay. These are trophoblasts. Okay.
We're 28.
28 trophoblasts. Okay. And that is actually part of the placenta. And just know this portion right here. That is the umbilical cord. What is this? Umbilical cord. Yeah, the other stuff I was going to ask, that's the placenta, right? Now, within the placenta, you have one vein and two arteries. Okay, remember the arteries are blue, veins are red. Okay, and that's actually the corium on it. Corium. And I believe we're done.